It's no secret that the number of homes for sale is down big time, including here in Las Vegas. So if you're thinking about buying a home in the Las Vegas area, then make sure you pay attention, because in today's video, I'm going to add some serious value to your house hunt so you can find the perfect home a little bit easier. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Gershon and I'm a Las Vegas-based realtor. And on this channel, we help simplify important real estate concepts while also shining a spotlight on the Las Vegas housing market. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Let's say you want a 4-bedroom home, but your search just really isn't bringing back anything exciting. So instead of only looking for homes with 4 or more bedrooms, I want you to try looking for homes that have at least 3 or more bedrooms with an office as well. And that's because the office could eventually serve as a 4th bedroom if it meets certain criteria. Now that bedroom definition varies by state, but here are some of the most commonly accepted criteria for a bedroom. First, the room must be at least 70 square feet large. Number 2, it must measure at least 7 feet in any horizontal direction so you can fit furniture, along with at least half the room ceiling being at least 7 feet or taller. Number 3, there must be at least 2 exits in the room, generally a good-sized window and a door. And then finally, number 4, while it's not mandatory in Nevada, a bedroom should have a closet. Now, most home offices meet the size requirements, but they lack the closet. And while a closet's not mandatory, it can really burden the occupant and then impact the home's resale value later on. Buyers are probably not going to view a former office as a bedroom without a closet, regardless of the legal definition. So the solution is really simple. You build a closet in the office, and if it's big enough, voila, you have your 4th bedroom. Now, knowing this can really improve your house hunts. Looking for homes with 3+ bedrooms and an office will increase the search results. You could also save money because 3-bedroom homes are typically at a lower price point than 4-bedroom homes. And finally, converting a 3-bedroom home to a 4-bedroom home will increase the resale value of the home later. Now, if you do choose this route, make sure you inform the local assessor's office before you plan to sell the property. They'll probably do an inspection to make sure that the room meets code, but the benefit is that the home will officially have more bedrooms, officially meaning the county will count it, and it also allows for accurate marketing and a higher price. Now let's say you're looking for a starter home with a larger than average backyard, but everything you find is out of your price range. In Vegas, it's really a common issue because the typical starter homes here tend to be built on smaller than average lots. And that's because many of the home builders here excessively subdivided the new neighborhoods with the goal of maximizing the number of homes they could sell. It's for profit. So if a large backyard is at the top of your wish list, then you should really consider some of the older homes around the Las Vegas Valley. And older here really means built prior to the 1990s. I know that's not old for a lot of places, but it's old for Vegas. That's true because prior to the 1990s, we didn't have the population boom that the 90s brought. And what the benefit is that a lot of older homes, they're more budget friendly. Now there's obviously a downside to this. You'd be buying a home that could potentially have more problems because of its age. But what you should know is that Las Vegas is the capital of home flipping, and there's many older properties that have been updated and remodeled over the previous decades. Personally, I've seen so many older homes that have flat out wowed me after their remodels. Just so we're clear about where North Las Vegas is in relation to the Las Vegas Valley, let's check out this map. As you can see, North Las Vegas directly borders the rest of the Las Vegas Valley with no real physical separation between the cities. Now, when people are looking to buy homes here, many people ask to avoid North Las Vegas because of the stigma that it's less safe, older, and that it lacks quality homes. That couldn't be further from the truth. Yeah, there are parts of North Las Vegas that could be considered unsafe, but the city now has a ton of new developments, quality homes like you'd find in the other parts of Las Vegas from the same home builders, and new infrastructure like the 215 freeway, all for a discount. When I send clients some homes from North Las Vegas zip codes, they're shocked. They go, "They build homes like this over there?" With housing inventory being as low as it is, you really owe it to yourself and to your money to include more North Las Vegas zip codes in your house hunt. If your house hunt's only been focused on resale homes, then I'm here today to tell you it's time to start looking at new construction homes. Higher interest rates have really killed a lot of the crazy demand that the new build communities were getting during the pandemic. And that's resulted in builder incentives now becoming increasingly attractive, and I'll explain how. So most major home builders have in-house lenders who can offer buyers a lower mortgage rate than the market at large. So currently it's May 2023, and the average mortgage rate is about 7%, while some builders are able to offer their clients 5 to 5.5% on new homes. And that's because the builder will take some of the home sale profit and they buy down the interest rate to entice buyers. Now, a difference of 1.5% can equal, hundreds of dollars a month in savings. It's really nuts. Many people avoid new builds because they don't want to pay retail price for a home, and I get it. But with builders now providing lower rates, the monthly payment for a new build can sometimes be lower than the payment for a resale home. Also, certain builders are offering closing cost assistance, sometimes up to $10,000 to $15,000. And that significantly reduces the amount of cash you would need to bring to the closing table. The last thing to consider with new builds is the availability of spec homes. Now, what's a spec home? Well, when a buyer puts down a deposit and they basically create a new contract to build a home, most new homes take 6 to 9 months to build. And after they put that deposit down, some buyers will cancel their contract pretty far into the home building process. Now at that point, builders have no choice but to finish the house and then to offer it to the general public for sale. But because the next buyer wasn't able to choose a lot of the features in the spec home, the builder is going to offer this home to the public at a discount. So buying a spec home is a really great way to get a new home without paying the same price. If you guys have any questions about any of the new construction communities in the Las Vegas Valley, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you guys have any questions about the Las Vegas housing market, I'd love to hear from you. Have a great day.